Paying close attention to your continuity is one of the most important things that you need to do when you're making videos. But what is continuity and why is it so important? Find out why in today's video. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking all about continuity and how continuity affects you as a filmmaker. Now, in basic terms, continuity refers to the consistency of the scene. Filmmaking is a complex and complicated process that has loads of different moving parts, and we're not going to be able to nail every single scene every single time. So of course, when we're shooting a video, there's going to be retakes. The actor may get their words wrong, the camera operator may do a move wrong, the shot might be out of focus, the director might not like how the scene was carried out. So this requires retakes. And when we do retakes, it's really important that everything within the scene stays consistent. And this is continuity. So let me give you a quick example. See if you notice anything weird about this film. Did you catch it? Well, if not, then you want to pay very close attention to the mug on the table. Did you see it? The white mug on the table changed from white to black and went back to white again at the end of the scene. Now, because you paid close attention to the character on screen, typically your mind will ignore everything else happening around you. But the problem is when you're inconsistent with your shots and your scene lacks continuity, they can sometimes pull the viewer out of the story, and this is going to be really damaging as a filmmaker because you're going to lose their interest. So this is where it's really important as a filmmaker to pay very close attention to what's in the scene. Now, let me show you another quick example. Can you notice what's wrong about this? In the over-the-shoulder shot, we have the right hand writing out the letter, but when we cut to the wide shot, it's suddenly the left hand. Now, of course, the actor could have decided to change hands halfway through filming, but of course, the director could have changed their mind and asked them to shoot with the left hand, but the rushes were sent to the editor, and the editor missed this note. So this is why having a continuity editor or just a person to watch over your film to see if they can spot any errors is a really important part of making videos. Because we're so focused on our specific role, when you're a camera operator or a DOP, you're focused on how the shot looks. You're focused on the lighting and the camera movement. Because we're so focused on our specific job role, inconsistencies and imperfections can sometimes slip through the net and end up making it into the final shot. So the purpose of this video is to ask you to double check your work. Get as many people as you can to check your work to see if there are any inconsistencies and see if your film lacks continuity. Some of the biggest films that have come out of Hollywood have had major continuity issues, and all you have to do is search for Hollywood film continuity error, and you'll find a whole load of videos showing all of these continuity errors. So as well as focusing on the camera, the lighting, the audio, you have to stay very focused on your continuity. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.